What are sync and mechanical rights in a song? Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're a songwriter, a music composer, a musician, or anybody involved in the music industry, then it's essential that you know what these rights are. In today's episode, I'll try and explain to you what synchronization rights and mechanical rights are and why they're so important. Let's get started. If you are a songwriter or a music composer, you want to make sure that your content gets the maximum reach it can have and to ensure that you earn the most amount of money from that creation. And the way you can do this is by leveraging the mechanical and the synchronization rights you have to your creation. First, let's talk about mechanical rights. Imagine you're the composer of an amazing song, that is, you have written the lyrics or composed the music or both, and now an artist wants to record and release that song. What happens next? This is where your mechanical rights come into play. Mechanical rights refers to the right that you grant to an artist to reproduce and distribute a song in a recorded format such as a CD, a vinyl, or even a digital download. The term mechanical dates back to the early days of a phonograph when mechanical devices were used to reproduce music. So when an artist wants to record a song, they must first obtain a mechanical license from the copyright holders, who are the songwriter and the music composer, and pay them a royalty for using their content. This ensures that the composers of the song are compensated for their efforts. Now it's important to understand that streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music also pay mechanical royalties to composers for every stream of a song. Each stream of a song on a digital platform amounts to a new mechanical reproduction, and these amounts really do add up, especially if you consider a hit song with millions of streams. Now let's talk about synchronization rights, also referred to as sync rights. Sync rights involves a different aspect of music usage which is equally important in the music industry. Sync rights come into play when a song is used in conjunction with visual media. This could be in movies, TV shows, commercials, video games, or even YouTube videos. Basically, anytime music is synchronized with visuals, synchronization rights are involved. So when a filmmaker or a content creator wants to use a specific song in their project, they must obtain permission and negotiate a sync license with the copyright holders. This sync license will specify how the music is to be synchronized with visuals, the duration of usage, and the compensation that needs to be paid to the copyright holders. The fees payable for sync licenses can vary widely depending on several factors, including the popularity of the song, the type of media that it will be synced with, and the duration of usage. Now, a special case we need to address is the creation and releasing of things like a cover version of a song along with a music video. In such a case, you may need to obtain a mechanical license for the reproduction of the song and a separate sync license for connecting that song with visuals. But if you're only interested in creating an audio of the cover version, then a mechanical license will suffice. The next obvious question to ask is, why are these rights important? Starting with mechanical royalties, these can be a significant source of income for songwriters and music composers. This revenue they earn as mechanical royalties, especially through streaming services, helps support the music industry as a whole by providing composers with some reward for their efforts and keeping them motivated to continue creating music. Synchronization rights, on the other hand, are crucial because it helps musicians and composers expand their reach and their exposure. When a song is featured in a popular movie, TV show, or a commercial, it can introduce the music to a whole new audience. Additionally, sync licenses can provide significant promotional benefits to the song as well. A well-placed song can become synonymous with a brand or a particular scene in a movie, resulting in more fan engagement for the artist. Both mechanical and synchronization rights ultimately protect the intellectual property rights of the songwriters and the music composers and make sure that they are properly compensated for their efforts. And that's a quick look at the mechanical and the synchronization rights in the world of music. These rights are the backbone of the music industry, and if you are an aspiring musician, songwriter, or content creator, it's important that you understand these rights in order to successfully navigate this industry. But remember to always seek legal advice when dealing with music. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Check out this video next, which deals with how to create content legally. I'll see you in another episode. Take care. Bye.